Hello class, welcome to week 3. I do want to apologize for not having my video up again. I'm actually recording this announcement pretty early as I'm about to go into a dental appointment, so I am in quite a bit of pain and I'm not sure how the rest of the week's going to go, hence the reason I don't have my camera up. Regardless, make sure that you check your announcements at the beginning of the week to make sure that you are up to date with anything I may have posted. And let's click on week 3. So for week 3, we're going to be talking about existential, person-centered, and Gestalt therapy. In regards to readings and preparations, you're going to be expected to read chapters 6, 7, and 8. Included here is the link to the PowerPoints for each of those chapters. And if you click on this link down here, it will take you to another link, which you click on, which will then take you to the library page. This will allow you then to sign on, which I have already done, and then it will take you to the video. So you are able to watch that video through that method. And the video will help to really reveal additional information about existential and humanistic interviews. For this week, what is graded? You have 2 items, the discussion board and your week 3 quiz. Down here is the prompt for the discussion board talking about the ha moment and what that looks like. As I have done in the past, I will post a curveball posting sometime midweek. And this posting is located throughout the discussion board. If you look for my name, you'll see the curveball posting. If you respond to the curveball post, this will count as one of your response postings. Keep in mind some of the different points down here as to what will be qualified as a substantial response posting. You should really just be adding to the conversation. You can respond and support your peers' opinions, but make sure that you ask questions, that you provide research, that you provide additional insights into whatever it is that your peers have posted, not simply a yes, I agree post. So again, your initial post is due Thursday by midnight, and you are to respond to at least 2 peers Sunday by midnight. And then down here is the link for the quiz. As I have done in week 2, I will complete an item analysis to determine what questions I feel are fair and maybe what weren't fair. If more than 50% of the class received an answer incorrect, I will throw out that question and give you, those of you who did receive points for the question will receive points for it, so you do have the possibility then of earning more than 100%. So that's what we have this week, chapter 6, 7, 8, your discussion board, and the week 3 quiz. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.